Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily create Facebook page logo. So for your Facebook page, so how you can do it? So first thing, just find here what size you need to create your image, and after just go to some image creator, just tap on file, new. Just here you need to write your size from here. Here you can see what size you need to enter. So 170 for 170. After just tap on OK. So here you can see it. Now just choose image. So I will choose this image. So how you can also make it? So just now paste your image here, and here you can see. Now just tap on file, export, and just save your image. So here you can see quality, change your quality, just tap on next. Just write name of your image, just tap on export. Now let's go to our Facebook, and after just tap on upload photo. Now we need to choose our photo. So now here you can see that we need to create 180. So just change your size of image. So create new image. And just tap on OK. So now just copy this image here, and now just make it like this, larger. So just tap on OK. Let's resave it. So just tap on export, just tap on next. Now just write name of your image. Let's try again. So let's tap on upload photo, just choose our new photo, and here you can see that we successfully add our image to our page. So let's tap on save. And here you can see that we successfully changed it. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.